and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a thumbs up and a follow. Well, it's September 13th, and this is the state of the garden. Still some green, a lot of yellow. Let's go over to the compost pile, because I want to show you these morning glories, how quickly they grow and vine about and then flower come in August. They have just taken over. I don't know if I just threw in bits of morning glory plant bits, or they grew from that, or if some seeds did actually end up in here, but it's just amazing. Always amazing to see the biological imperative of plants. Given enough time, they will take everything down. They will get into the smallest, tiniest cracks in any boulder or mountain and make it crumble. The only thing that can take down a planet other than plants, ice. Oh, an asteroid impact, I guess. Speaking of which, you folks must have heard about 3I Atlas by now. A strange, very large object headed towards Earth, which apparently humans have made contact with. Or that is, they have made contact with us. They're actually broadcasting a signal. In fact, part of the signal might be visual, where they are actually flashing 363. Let's look at our sunflower. Yes, like I was showing yesterday, this is a perfect spot for the squirrels to sit on. Just start munching on the plant. What they say, 23 kilometers wide, this object. And it's off-gassing things that every other object that has come through our solar system, or usually does from the Oort cloud, is giving off gases and metals that have never been seen before in other passengers going through our solar system. Are you still growing? Yeah, okay, so the stem is still green, it's still dark green, so I don't need to pull this out. So when your stems have gone completely brown and the plants and your gourd or your squash isn't getting anything anymore, that's when the gourd needs to be taken off the ground. You don't want to leave it out here, because then it'll start to rot. And then when freezing, it's done, obviously, right? But yeah, see there? They're still growing, they're still feeding, so they're fine to sit right there. They won't rot. Yeah, so this massive object, it's passing by planets, and its timing and its trajectory is just too specific to be by chance. And the fact that it's giving off signals. Perihelion will be in, what, 45 days? So that's when it's actually opposite of us. And I think its closest approach will be December 17th. A lot of things lining up for this approach of this this object. I wonder when I'm going to have to pull out these onions. Well, I mean, I know when I have to. I mean, if the tops start bending over, then like that one there. Like that one there. And it does this little thing like that. Just cut that off. Our giant kale plant. Just not in the mood for kale the last couple of weeks. And off to our zucchini. Yes, good. We're getting another zucchini here. How long has this been? How about you? Are we gonna get you? I don't know. More zucchinis. Oh, sneaky zucchini. Missed this one yesterday. Now look at the size of it. Look at that. Outstanding. Yeah, I suggest you look it up, 3-Eye Atlas. Plenty of streams are up right now showing the object. Even some people with their own private telescopes trained on it. But you have to wonder, right? We have telescopes in space that are giving us the clearest, magnificent images from across the galaxy. But somehow the image of this item in our solar system comes back all darkly pixelated. Yeah. The government is not the best communicator. And I think they're going to start panicking soon because they can't control the messaging on this. Well, the potatoes are going to stay in the ground until I dig them up at this point. Oh, unless a frost and a freeze comes in sooner, then I might come out here and dig them out. But we're enjoying a bit of a warm period, I suppose. Could be warmer, but it is a warmer trend right now, this September, mid-September. It's, what, like 14, 15 degrees out this morning. No wind, so it's not too bad. And the daytimes, today is not going to hit 20, I don't think. It might. But we're still climbing up to the mid-20s. So the plants will continue to grow as best they can till they're done, and I will continue to harvest. So let's go in the front and go have a look. Straight to our lavender. Had a bit of rain early this morning. And I can see the sunflower probably needs a bit more water. The leaves are looking a little wanting. I'll come out and dump a bucket in here. And our zucchinis. Oh yes, well the critters love to eat at the failed zucchinis, and it looks like the ants are gonna finish the rest. And what's left of Butch here. Oh, what's going on here, Butch? Is there... You're not starting new flowers, are you? That'd be amazing. Yeah, the sunflower is just too heavy for that thin stalk, and birds finished it off, and there went the live show. The live show. A webcam. A blurry webcam trained on a tiny sunflower. And our morning glories over there in the back, still continuing to crawl along the string. Now, we've been watching the string here crawl slowly, very slowly, for months. And you saw how fast it crawled in just a couple of days in a compost pile. Well, obviously, more nutrients in a compost pile. Now, there's not much time left for this. Yeah, it's catching up here. See, it's almost done. Almost done. And our other sunflower that was being munched on. Oh yes, look, the seeds. That's amazing. Probably come out and rip a whole bunch and just throw them into the ground as soon as it gets cold, and hopefully they'll come up in the spring. Well, I won't. The critters will eat them. And oh, look, our morning glory leaves on this side here now are starting to turn. So that signals the end in about 4 weeks. Oh yes, nice bee activity. Just the bumblebees. Haven't seen honeybees back in over a month. But I guess by now the apiarists for over a month now, I've been allowing their bees just to harvest for themselves so they can get through the winter. And supplementing their daily activities with sugar water. So they would be moving their hives closer to where they want to winter them. So the honeybees I had were probably from a hive being used for pollinating. And that's the end of the morning glories. All right, well, if you stayed behind and watched till the very end, I really appreciate it. Like I said yesterday, come Monday, we'll be working on the other project more often, so there will not be daily updates on the garden. And thanks for coming by. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.